Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is September 16th. Grains slightly lower overnight. Corn down a penny and a half. Beans down just a quarter of a cent. Wheat down a penny. But a lot of confusion this morning. FSA released some numbers here as far as preventative plant. And there's been some issues this morning on whether or not they're correct. Well, August numbers looking at 2.3 million acres for corn, 2.17 out of beans. They reduced them. Corn at 1.622 and beans down to 848. So the question is did they release the wrong numbers? Are these numbers that were these last year's figures? Because they're very close to last year. Last year at this time, we were at 1.58 for corn and 841 in the beans. FSA will be coming out here shortly with some updated numbers for us. So the trade is anticipating and kind of waiting to see what will be released there. But certainly a lot of discrepancy here this morning as far as these numbers and this data, whether or not it is accurate. So we'll see what their comments are here shortly, and we'll let you know. So if you got any questions, call us on that. FOMC meeting today, tomorrow. We'll see if the Fed goes ahead and raises rates here as they've been expecting. Some are saying that they're not. Some are saying that they will. But we've got the outside markets relatively quiet at this time. Stock market only down about 10 points. Crude oil, though, jumping about $1.13. Our dollar is down actually about 11 after a sizable rally here yesterday. So we'll see what kind of data we get or information from them over the next few days on more of the financial front. We did see another sale of beans this morning to China, 184,000 new crop beans to China. So we've seen their demand pick up here over the last couple of weeks. Will we see strong export sales again tomorrow? We'll have to keep an eye on that. The trade will be looking for good exports once again, but we are still behind overall. So keep that in mind, that we need to see some bigger sales for them just to play catch up, because they are certainly behind from where USDA has got their demand set. Looking at livestock, cattle and hogs. Probably going to see cattle start off a little lower here this morning. Box beef down $1.65 for choice. 68 cents lower for select. Talks of lower trade in Iowa, 136, 137 trade. I guess if you look at that here, that's where we have most of the heavy cattle areas are right there in Iowa. So we'll see what happens there if that trade does hold here for the week. But there's talks of that right now. We'll see what kind of confirmation we get here today. In the hogs, cutout values down 83. We saw a very strong day for hogs yesterday. May get a little profit taking here today, but we're up against some good resistance levels on the charts. If we do end up taking that out, we could see another $1 to $2 higher just on a technical front. But we're up against some resistance. We've seen cutout values dropping. May get a little profit taken here today as well, so we'll watch that. As I mentioned, stock market down 10, crude oil up 113. We got the dollar down 11. So give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Take care.